My jalapenos, simple enough. When it comes to how to get the heat out of a jalapeno, well, first off, let me explain. If you've ever had pickled jalapenos, you know these things can be awful hot. But when it comes to a fresh jalapeno, unlike the pickled ones that have the heat running throughout, a fresh jalapeno has 90 to 95% of its heat right here in this very center part. You see that core? Look what I'm doing to remove that. Simple spoon. That's it. Now I've taken out the majority of the heat from that, and I have just that wonderful chili flavor right there. Now if you're one of those that wants to leave this in, you can do it. The seeds in the center won't hurt anything, but it will heat the dish up. I want to say that right now. That part of it right there is going to heat your chili up. If you want just the flavor, go with just the green. So that is right there how to process out the jalapeno to get it ready for dicing. Now when it comes to the dice itself, let's get into that. Again, hold the knife the right way by pinching it. Curl the fingertips under when you're doing stuff like this, folks, and cut just little matchstick size cuts from that jalapeno. You know, it's a very narrow width, about a quarter, an eighth of an inch to a quarter of an inch is perfect. I'll just do that all the way down, and then I'll make my cross cuts. Same small, little bitty, tiny dice. Wasn't that simple? That's all there is to getting good quality jalapeno diced up. Very easy. I wanted to speak to you for just a moment about my recipes. Now, I put out my recipes, okay? They're on my website. Now, I don't put out your average everyday recipe. You know, I had somebody comment to me recently. He said, why would I do that when they're available everywhere for free? There's a little difference. Those that are for free, and I've printed them out, you have too, little tiny thing in the corner of the piece of paper that's covered with ads most of the time, and then it's not very descriptive. Not mine. Mine are worth having. Okay, so when you get one of mine, it's designed to be printed in such a way that it can be put into like a 3-ring binder. Look at this. Look at the quality on it. Look at how clear this is. The imagery is beautiful. So they can be printed, and this is the way I've designed mine, is so they can be printed back to back. And then you end up with, you know, a complete recipe that works in a book. And it comes out absolutely beautiful. Pictures that depict everything that you need to do in the recipe. Now, not all of them are exactly that way, but a lot of them are, and I'm getting more and more done this way. And I'm putting a hard push towards good quality recipes that give better instructions than everybody else's. And that's the reason I do them this way. These are designed to have holes punched in them. Let me pull this up and do this with it. Look, 3-ring binder, boom, punch holes in it, you have it right there. Everything's all available for you, okay? So, pardon me, I didn't mean to hit the mic. Anyway, really cool idea. Great way to do your recipes. Instead of having to buy a book of 50 recipes to get 10, you just pay for the 10 recipes, save a whole lot of money, and you got a better idea for how to keep your recipes. Thanks for watching. Please enjoy what I provide. Check out Texas Cooking Today. There's a lot, I mean a lot of recipes there. And if you would, take a look in the description box down underneath me here, and you'll find the links to my website, to Texas Cooking Today, to the stuff that I do, and how to keep up with me and to find out a little bit more. Thank you very much. You have a good day.